In today's webinar, we are going to review how to set up the portfolio of products and services that are delivered via Q Billing's cost allocation and chargeback system. In the portfolio hierarchy, today's hierarchy, we're going to look at a complex hierarchy that is 5 separate layers in depth, and it spans from the organization, and within each organization we have categories of services that are provided. Then we have the services themselves, the types of services that they retain, and the billing elements would be the most granular detail within the portfolio hierarchy. And so the billing elements might be referred to as cost elements in your company or cost objects, but these are the actual products and services that are delivered at the most granular level. In order to add an organization, we would go into the field, and this organization might be the CIO. But we could have any other organizations. We may have a separate hierarchy for human resources. And we could go on, so on and so forth for the different organizations that we use to run our business. And within each organization, we have categories of services. And within the IT organization, or within the CIO organization, we may have IT services. And under the IT services, we may have several different types of services that are offered. We could have things like data center services, network services, and workplace services. And then under the data center services, we may offer different types of services within our data centers. These different types could be things like server support, we may have some old mainframe services that are being utilized, and we may have managed storage within this environment as well. And then within the server support, we may have a variety of different things we provide within our server offering. So we may have things like different types and sizes of servers. So we may have different expenses. An expense for a Linux operating system is different than that of a Windows operating system. So again, we can add multiple billing elements, and whenever we go in to add multiple billing elements, it expects us to copy and paste the data from an Excel document. And the expectation is that the information within Excel has specific formats. The formats would be essentially the billing element. What is the billing element itself? A description or definition of what that billing element would be, the type of billing element, the unit of measure, and an ERP classification. So we would hit next. We would highlight those respective columns within Excel, copy, and we would come in here and paste the information. Hit next. And at this point it shows that we have 36 records that are being scheduled to be uploaded into the database. Hit next. And we see that all 36 billing elements have been uploaded without any errors. Return. And we come back and we can see all the minute details behind what products and services are supported under server support. And if we wanted to look at this information at this time or any point in the future, we can hit export, and it would export it into Excel, and we would then have all the details as well. Thank you.